Now let us see how do we use the arguments and how do we use it. So let me say def args. So this is multiple args, and you have to use the star. The star is the thing which represents the args. So now what I am doing, just I am printing it. Args are. So I will ask the user to enter the numbers which they like. And some people may have multiple choices, some people, or like I may ask the user which is who is your favorite actor or actress or anything of that sort. So then what happens, like they may enter one, two, or three, or things like that. So it could be different values, right? So then still it has to take. So even in this case, I don't know how many parameters we are passing. If there are multiple parameters being passed, then we can the star arcs can help us to get that. So I will suppose I in this I am calling multi arcs, multiple arcs. So let us say favorite colors. Someone will say my favorite color is white. Someone says blue. I mean this person favorite color is white and blue. Maybe another person says it's white, red and black. Here multiple parameters. So still it is going to accept this when we use the star. See here, arguments are white and blue, arguments are white, red, black. So here we are passing two arguments, here we are passing three arguments, just we are providing star arcs like this. Then you want to pass like a keyword or the same thing you can use it, but there you have to use the double star. So let me do this keywords. Then you have to use double star. Okay, so let me say keywords arcs. So I will ask the user to enter their personal details. Someone will give few information, someone will give some other information. Say someone will say name is equal to Rabu, and then age is equal to some value. Say city is equal to Bangalore. Someone else may give different values or different values as well as different number of keywords. So here it says Ramya, age is say 35, and city is say Mysore. So hobby, say drawing, paint. In this case, it is different, right? So in the first case, it's different. Here it is different. So let's run and print this. See here. So even though key value pair you had given, it has taken. So when you want to give like this, you have to use two stars keywords. Otherwise, you can use single star. So in this way, you can use the function. So function is very important building block of any programming language. Python is not an exception. Understanding and writing the function, because finally, when you start writing as programming, so you will be writing functions, right? So you will be writing functions in scripting. Also, you will be writing functions, and you will be calling the functions. So in this way, we can use the functions. And just to recap, what are the things we have done? We have written the simple functions, without parameter, with parameter, and also with return types and the arguments. Star args and then keywords. That is called as the non-keyword arguments and the keyword arguments. Star args is the non-keyword arguments and this is the keyword argument. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you are typing along with me. So hope you are practicing along with me. So please understand the concepts and then try to do as much program as possible. Thanks once again.